In the last class, what we did, we have discussed about path specification. What is that, everybody? Path specification, and we have completed the task also. Okay, right. Now today class, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss about other topics. That means what is that? We are going to work with the graphical tags like IMG tag, audio tag, and video tag. Once that is completed, we will going to work with the tables also. What is that, everybody? Tables also. Okay, right. So now what is our application? First, we need to decide what is that. Online classes, UI classes, online classes, Ramesh UI class, Feb 2024, 10:30. First of all, what we need to maintain? Application structure. Okay, we need to create a folder for our practice purpose or else application purpose. All the files related to that particular technology or else that particular application, we need to store in this particular folder only. Definitely, we need to maintain the application structure. Okay, right. So yesterday we have developed this first, second, third. Okay, we have worked with that. Now what is the thing we are going to do? We are going to work with the graphical tags like IMG, audio and video tags also. Okay, right. So first here what I'm doing is I want to discuss about IMG tag. What is it, everybody? IMG. So where I'm storing in this folder only, see it. Whenever you are saving, you need to observe the path also. Somebody what they will do is they don't observe the path. Directly they will save. After some time they will close and then after they will rethink where I have saved, where I have saved like that. That is very wrong perception. Whenever you are saving not only the file name, you need to focus on this path also. Here you will find the path. Okay, so ours is what UI class of 2024, 10:30. That is correct only. So now here what I am doing, writing the image tag, basic underscore UI underscore IMG underscore tag underscore example dot HTML. What is that, everybody? HTML. IMG tag HTML. So what is the purpose IMG? I want to display what? Image tag. What is that, everybody? Image tag. In order to display image by using HTML, we must use IMG tag. What is that, everybody? IMG tag. So I have written there IMG. What I have written there? IMG only. Just come here, execute in the browser. Just because of I'm using here IMG, do I getting any image? No. Right, just because of you are getting into a bus, just because of that automatically conductor knows which place you want to drop. Respond everyone. You are getting into a bus. Okay, just you have get into the bus. Automatically conductor knows which place you want to drop. No. In the same way here you have written IMG, but browser by default it doesn't understand which image you want to keep there. It does not able to read your mind. Okay, we need to tell it manually. So what I want to display a image. So what is the image? A file. What is this one? IMG tag. This also HTML page. So I want to call a graphical file into HTML page. In that case, we need to mention here SRC, source of the file. SRC equal to double quotations. For example, I'm writing like this .jpg. Anything .jpg. See there what I'm getting? An icon is coming. But what is the symbol? Path problem in the image. Path of the application is wrong, or else file is not found by the browser. Whenever file is not found in the browser, any image file, it will display like this. Understanding or not? It will display like this. So that's why we should not use like this. We need to specify the path properly. We need to specify the path properly. Understand, everybody? We need to specify the path properly. So what is the path I need to specify? Our application related path only. So now observe here, everybody. Do we have any images in our application? What is the point I told starting of the class also, previous class also? Whatever related to your application, whatever the files related to your application, we must call in your application only. We must have in our application only. But do we have any here? Any images here? Respond, do we have any images here? No. What should I do? Either I need to download from the Google, or else if you have in your computer, somebody what they will do? They will keep in the pictures or else any other folder also. What they will do? They will just copy and paste this path. This is not the correct thing. Because in the server, we cannot maintain these folders. That is one thing. And you need to upload your files only to the server. Understanding or not? Right, everybody? Though it is available in your particular computer also, you should not use that path. If you use like this, in the real time, they don't work. And immediately they will identify you are a fake candidate, or else if you are a fresher also, you don't have that much talent, like that they will feel. They will get some bad opinion also. This is not the correct thing. Okay, right? If you are using the same image in two different applications, also we need to copy and paste that particular application in your computer. That is the correct thing. Okay, right? So now I am copying these files. Control A, Control C. So where should I keep? In our application. So go to our particular application. Here, where should I keep these images? Directly in the root folder? No, for example, you purchase a double cot bed to your home. Where you will keep? Directly in the hall, or else you will keep in your bedroom? Bedroom only. Of course, we'll bring to our home. Home is common. After reaching home also, room is separate. We cannot keep in our washroom or balcony. Definitely we need to keep in our bedroom only. Right, everybody? In the same way, images are related to this application only. Just because of that, you cannot keep everything directly in the root folder. If you keep like that, what happens? It will be missing. If you want to find particular file, you cannot find that much easily. For example, you are attending here UI classes. I'm allowing you. Same class I will allow Java students also. Same class I allow .NET also. Same class I will allow React.js students also. All the three different faculties will teach at the same time. Do you understand anything? Why? Missing. You cannot focus on anything. In the same way, if you keep here HTML files directly, same place if you keep images, same place if you keep JS, it will be missing. That's why what is the thing I need to do? I need to divide into again folders. Since that is related to images, I need to create a new folder called images. What is it, everybody? Images. Paste the file here. What is it, everyone? Images. That's it. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. This is the images I have. Okay. What is the thing you need to check? Image name. What is that? car_1. What is the type? PNG file. Corporate. What is that type? JPG. Corporate employee, JPG. EMP1 JPG. EMP2, EMP3 also JPG. And icon hyphen logo is PNG. Right, everybody? Right. This will take care of the UX designer. You know, no need to worry about that. Just you need to find the file name and the type only. That's it. Understanding or not? So this is the images you are finding here. Right, everybody? Now what is the thing I need to write here? Path. How to specify the path? How to specify the path? Come here, copy this path and paste it here. That no, what is that? What is the point I told? In your application where it is, that particular files only. What is that? In your application, this is your application. In your application where it is, images folder. Write there images. Slash, what is our file name? car_1. Dot, what is the extension? PNG. Save it. Online people, are you able to see my screen? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Right. What are you editing? Image. Right, everybody, this is the image you are seeing. If you don't specify any particular width and height, automatically image size will come. So that means what? What is the size of this? Observe their dimensions. 740 into 340. 740 is, what is that? 740 means width. Always first value is width. Width into height, they like that they will write. Not height into width. 740 is the width, 340 is the height. So actual size it is coming. 740, 340. If you want to control that, we need to write here width attribute. What is it, everybody? Width attribute 200 px. Height HEIGHT, not HI. HEIGHT equal to double quotations 200 px. Refresh. What are we getting? 200 px. I have controlled or not width and height. Okay, right. Now somebody, what they will do? They don't know the model of the car. So I should dedicate the user whenever he hover. That means whenever I hover, I want to display the model. So how can I display that? By using title attribute. What is it, everybody? Title attribute. Title equal to double quotations. For example, Innova. I know only that car. Okay, right. Right there, Innova. Refresh. Now over. What are you getting? Innova. Understand, right? Whenever any user moves over, if you want to display that, what is the attribute I need to use? Title. Same attribute I'm using the ABBR also. Same thing I can use in the IMG also. Right, everybody? Title attribute. Now, sometimes what happens is, if there is a problem in the image loading, it is taking a little bit long time because there is a internet connection is slow, or else there is a problem in the image path, whatever the reason also. If there is internet problem, or else image path is wrong, I want to display some alternative text. What is that, everybody? Alternative text. In that case, what I need to do? I need to go for the ALT. For example, if the image is not there, what happens? It will come like this. Right? I don't want to display like this. I want to display some alternative text. So that's why what is the thing I need to, I want to do? ALT. What is that, everybody? ALT equal to double quotations car image. What is it, everybody? Car image. Now see, what are we getting? Not the dummy image. What are we getting? Car image text. What are we getting, everybody? Car image text. So ALT means what? That is not the title. It doesn't display whenever you move on. It is the alternative for the source. What is it, everybody? Alternative for the source. If there is a problem in the SRC, or else if it is taking too long time load, then this ALT will be loaded. Alternative text. And whatever you are writing, that will display in the browser. But the text cannot be copied. At least you cannot select also. Observe it. Are you able to select? No. If you are not able to select, you cannot copy also. Right? That is called ALT. What is that, everybody? ALT. So now I am removing this. Save it. Whenever there is no problem, immediately we will get the car image. If there is a problem, then only ALT will come. What is it, everybody? If there is a problem, then only ALT will come. ALT means what? Alternative. Alternative means what? If originally is not there, they will assign some alternative. For example, if I keep a 1 month leave, okay, what happens? You will lose your time also. So that purpose, what is the thing they will do? They will choose any alternative faculty. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. So whenever I came back, again I can continue the classes. Understanding, right, everybody? That's it. Okay, everybody? Right. Of course, I'm not keeping 1 month leave, just normal I'm telling. Okay, right. Alternative. This is the meaning of alternate. Alternative means dummy. Okay, one way of dummy. Okay, right. Just alternative text. That's it. So this is how we can write the image. Okay, or else see here, I'm keeping another image also. There I'm not using these double quotations. If you don't want to use double quotations, then don't write the PX. Automatically it will take a PX only. Understanding it, everybody? Okay. Because in interviews they will write like this also, some people. Immediately will think it will throw error, or else it doesn't display any output. But it will work. If you want to write PX, then only keep in the double quotations. If you don't want to write the PX, you can write directly 200 into 200. Automatically it will take as PX only. This also one thing is there. Okay. Right. Refresh. Now see their image is coming or not. Where it is coming? One by one or side by side? That means what we need to understand about this IMG tag. Inline element. What is that, everybody? Inline element. Inline elements only will align automatically side by side. Side by side. Okay? Side by side. Block elements will align automatically one by one. Yeah, 1 by 1. Clear or not? Okay? Right. Now we will take down the notes related to this IMG. IMG. See, videos are daily I'm telling, and I'm not forgetting. Actually, they are not working. So I will check the problem. I will upload on this Saturday. Okay. Please don't ask these 2 days, but definitely will get the videos on the Saturday before 11 o'clock. Okay, everybody? Right. Please don't mind. Okay, everybody? Right. So, but next week onwards, I will upload or try to upload regularly. Okay. Right. Next week onwards. So now observe the notes here, and I will upload these files also. Example files with notes. So see here, what are we getting? Describe IMG with attributes. So IMG tag is used to display image in our web page. It has few attributes. What is that? SRC, ALT, title, width and height. SRC. In the SRC attribute, we need to specify the image related path in our application. See, always I am mentioning in our application, don't take it lightly. In our application related path only we need to mention, because every student almost they will feel comfortable copying from here, but in the company they will feel so much stress from the seniors. So always use your application related paths only. Okay, understand everybody? Right. So in the SRC attribute, we need to specify the image related path in the your application. ALT. ALT attribute is used to display alternative text if there is any problem in the SRC path. Okay, right. Title. Title attribute is used to display text whenever the user mouse over on the image. Width attribute is used to control or specify the width of the image. Height attribute is used to control or specify the height of the image. Okay, so by default image will display with its actual size. That is what I written in the note. Note also important. Okay, everybody, note. I will mention some points in the note only. Clear it, everyone? You must read entire things. Clear it, everybody? So IMG is completed. Then after, what is the other graphical tags we have? Audio and video. What is it, everybody? Audio and video. So let's go there. I don't have any audio file, but I have a video file. Okay, I will explain both. A underscore audio underscore video underscore example dot HTML. Clear it, everybody? Yes, perfect. So audio tag we need to write here, audio slash audio. Video tag also we need to write here, video slash video. Now here I need to specify the source. What is that, everybody? Source tag, SOURCE, source RCE. Now here we need to mention the type, and then after we need to mention the SRC. Understand, everybody? Here also I need to specify what? Source. Here also I need to mention type and SRC. Clear or not? Respond, everybody? Right. So now check here. What is the types are available? These things. So for audio, what is the type? Audio slash MPEG. What is that, everybody? Audio slash MPEG. For video, what is available? Video slash MP4. Video slash MP4. And in SRC, I am writing some dummy path. Of course, I don't have that folder also. Sample.mpeg. Okay, everybody? Right. So now use here BR tag as well. 2 times. Because video tag will come in the next line. Okay, everyone? Right. Now here, what is the thing I am writing? Do you have observed here? Do we have any videos folder? In our application, do we have any videos folder? That's what, everyone. No, we don't have any videos folder. So what should I do? Copy the videos folder from the previous one and paste in our application. Where? Not in the images, direct in the root folder. So images in the images folder, videos in the videos folder. What is the videos available? Bujima underscore song. Right, everybody? Bujima underscore song. This the video is available. Now I need to call that. How? Very simple. Where it is? Videos folder slash file name. What is that? Bujima. Wait 1 second. Double A or M A. Yeah, only single A. Underscore song. What is the extension? MP4. Save it. Right, everybody? How it is coming? Like this. Of course, audio, it is not displaying anything, but are you able to see the video? Right. Respond, everybody. So how it is displaying like a video or else like an image? Why? Because there is no controls. What is it, everybody? There is no controls. And I want to control this also. Okay. So that's why what I'm doing here is I'm specifying here width and height. What is that, everybody? Width and height. The video tag. This is how it is coming. But are you able to see any controls, play, pause, anything? No. In the audio tag also there is no controls. So we must use here controls attribute. What is that? Controls attribute where audio also, video also. Controls. Refresh. Now see, there is coming what? Play button. Right? And here what are you getting? Play button. This is duration bar. Okay. Then after what is this? Volume. This is the full screen. It is playing. Okay, offline people are listening. I don't know about online, but actually it is playing also and it is getting sound also. Right, everybody? Right. Okay, everybody, this is what? This is how we'll work with the video tag. And if you observe, there is audio also. Since there is no controls, it is not displayed previously. Okay, right. So whenever you refresh, how it is coming? It is automatically by default, it is displaying it pause. That's why it is displaying here play button. Whenever you click on the play, then only it will be played. Or else it will be like that only. Okay, or else whenever page is loaded, immediately video has to play. That purpose I need to use here auto play controls. What is it, everybody? Auto play. Auto play means what? Automatically play whenever page is loaded. Now refresh. Is it playing? No. Why? Because previous versions it is played, but now it is not playing. Why? Because suppose you are working, some people will open some entertainment related files in the companies also whenever they have free time. So in that case, whenever the page is loaded, if they played immediately song, others will disturb. Right, everybody? So that's why whenever they have used this auto play, so by default it doesn't work. But we need to incorporate this with muted. What is it, everybody? Muted. Then what happens? It will play, but in muted. So that what happens if I want? I need to unmute it. So that now nobody will feel disturbed and I can listen to the songs also without doing work. Understand, everybody? Respond, everyone. That's it. This will work with the video tag as well. Audio and video. Same thing will work for this thing also. Controls is there. Auto play and muted we can apply it for audio also. What is that? Audio also. Okay. Right. Very, very simple. This is the graphical tags. We have 3 graphical tags. What is that? IMG, audio and video tag. How to display audio and video by using HTML? By using audio tag we can, and source tag. What is that? Audio tag and source tag as a child tag to audio tag. We need to use audio tag also, source tag also, but the source tag must be child of audio. Okay, tag we can display audio file. Same way by using video tag and source tag as a child tag to video tag, we can display video tag. Both audio and video should have controls attribute. List some attributes for audio and video tags. Controls, autoplay, muted, width and height. Controls attribute provides controlling buttons related to audio and video files. Autoplay attribute plays automatically audio or video file when the page is loaded. That means rendering also, loading also same in the browser. Autoplay attribute works only when muted attribute is specified in the audio or video tag. Then after muted attribute plays the audio or video tag file without sound. Autoplay attribute works only when muted attribute is specified in the audio or video tag. Width attribute used to control or specify the width of the audio or video file. Same way height attribute used to control or specify the height of the audio or video file. Clear it, everybody? That's it. So we have completed the graphical tags also like IMG, audio and video. Now we are going to enter into the tables. What is it, everybody? Tables. Why we need to use the table? What is the importance of the table? So, okay, right. So to design, for example, I want to design a web page or else I'm giving you notes. Okay. If you want to, if I am giving notes, how will you write in a proper structure? Will you write or else however you feel you will write? Proper structure. For example, I want to print a textbook. How should I print? With a proper structure or else however I want I can print? Proper structure, indexes. Then after starting, then after chapters wise I need to divide the content, and each and every chapter again I need to divide into exercises also. Yeah, okay, or else topics also. And on every topic I need to divide into paragraphs also. And if anything is completed, any chapter is completed, I need to display as end, something like that. Then after again second chapter. So we need to display with proper structure. So here also you are designing some you are displaying, you want to display some data. So how we should display the data? With proper structure or not? Proper structure. So how to display that structure? By using tables only. So to design our entire web page, we have only mainly two tags. What is that? Table tag or div tag. By using them only, we can develop our web page with proper structure. Of course, nowadays nobody using table tags. Everybody using div tags only. Why? Because the table tags does not support the responsive designing. Okay, but still it is not deprecated. We need to learn that. Are you understanding or not? What is the purpose of table tag? To design our entire web page with this proper structure, we have mainly two tags: table tag and div tag. Table is old one, but 2008 onwards, 9 onwards, div is developed. From then onwards, everybody using div tags only. Okay, to design our web pages. So nowadays everybody using div tags only. But still table tag is not deprecated. We need to learn that one also. Okay, right. So table tag. So how to work with table tag? So if you want to write single letter by using table tag, directly we should not write. So first we need to write in the table tag. What is it, everybody? Table. But directly in the table tag also we should not write the data. Again we need to divide into rows. That purpose we need to write there tr tag. What is it, everybody? Tr tag. In the row also we should not write the data. Again that row we need to divide into columns. Columns means what? TD. So if you want to write single letter by using tables, also we need to follow the sentence structure. Clear, everybody? Table tr td, and I am writing this data. Sure? Respond, everybody. This is how we are working with this data. Okay, right. So now how to work with all those things I want to discuss with you. Okay, right. Now see here. Square HTML underscore table underscore. Okay, we saving this thing. Where we need to save, that is also we need to check. Where I am saving 2024 year on table tag underscore example dot html. Okay, everyone, right. So what is the thing I need to do? In order to work with table tags, first of all I need to do, take their table tag. What is that, everybody? Table tag. And what is the point I told? Directly in the table tag we should not write. But what I'm doing, I'm writing there R. I'm writing directly in the table tag. Are you finding anything? Only R. But are you understanding where is the table is coming or not? Like that? No. Why? If you want to see anything, either need to apply background color or else. Okay, first of all, we need to take the width and height. Then after, either we need to apply background color or border. So here I did not write the width also. I am writing here width equal to what? 100%. What is it, everybody? 100%. Height, I don't want to specify. Okay, right. And here I am writing border. Border equal to what? 1. 1 means what? 1 px. Okay, everybody, right. Refresh now. So are you saying this 100% or not? See, this is the default space will come. Ignore that. I will tell you how to terminate also. Okay, but this is the default space. So are you saying this border or not? Yes. Right, everybody? But where this R should come? Inside this border or outside the border? Inside or outside? Inside. But where it is coming? Outside. See it where I'm writing this R? Inside the table. So it should come inside the table only. But where it is coming? Outside the table. Why? That is I made a fundamental mistake. What is the point I told you? We should not directly in the table tag. We should not write directly in the table tag. Understand, everybody? So we should divide into rows. That entire table we should divide into rows. Right there, TR. Can I write directly in the TR also? No. What should I do? I need to divide into columns. Columns means what? TD. Now observe where the R is coming inside the table. And how many borders we are getting? 2 borders. How much width is occupying? Entire table width. Of course, default space is there, but it actually is occupying entire table width. Clear it, everybody? That means what we need to understand. Tell me what are you analyzing here? Think once and tell me what we need to analyze. So if you apply border and in the table, it will automatically apply for each and every TD also. That is one thing you need to understand. And TD, how many TDs I have written? 1 TD. How much space it is occupying? Total table width. That means table width divided by the number of highest columns in a row in that particular table. Okay, everybody? Here, how many highest columns we have? Only 1. So it is dividing. 100 by 1 means what? 100 only. That's why we are getting this. And what is the thing we need to understand? Each and every table, okay, and each and every TD will get space. And each and every TD in between them also they will get space. Understand, everybody? Respond. Clear it, everybody? Right. So today client told this is only I have 1 TR, 1 TD. Tomorrow client told I have another TR. Okay, another TD. See it, how many, how much space they are occupying? How much space? Same as width, same as table width, 100%. See, first TD also occupying 100%, second TD also occupying 100%. Then after tomorrow client told again, no, second TR I want 1 more TD extra. So I have modified this. Understand, everybody? Right. Now observe. What is happening? How much space now I am getting? 50% only. What is the point I told? Table width divided by the number of highest columns in a row related to that particular table. This is the table. This is the rows. How many highest columns are there now? 2. So 100 by 2, how much? 50. That's why each and every TD is getting 50% only. So I can utilize this TD width. That means this space. I can utilize this particular TD space. I can utilize this particular TD space also. But can I utilize this particular space? No. Why? I am not occupying. So everybody stopped working tables. I told this point also. Why? Because the problem. If there is any further modifications is there, not only that particular area, you need to manipulate previous and after rows also. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. If you observe here, this space I am not able to utilize. I can utilize this TD space. I can utilize this TD space, this TD space, but this space not able to utilize. So the rule in designing and construction is what? Occupy the space, and if you want, you can leave it empty. For example, in our home, some empty space also will be there. Just because it is empty, we don't keep the tiles or not. Respond, everybody. We keep or not? We'll keep. That means we are occupying the space. Then only we will leave it as empty. Here also, whenever you want to design anything, first occupy the space, then leave it empty if you want. But here, the space is useless. We are not able to utilize this. Then what should I do? This particular TD should be equal to 2 TDs width. What is that? 2 TDs width. That purpose, what is the thing I need to write is call span. What is that, everybody? Call span equal to double quotations How much TD is width? 2. What is it, everybody? 2. So observe it here. Now observe it. How much TD this is becoming? 2 TD is width. Clear or not? So whenever you want to work with these tables, we need to focus on the call span also. If there is any further modifications. Okay. And if there is any other TR, again, if you want to manipulate that, again, I need to manipulate this TR, TD also. Clearing or not? Respond everybody. Okay. Right. And if you observe here, what is this? This is a default space is coming here automatically. What is this space can be called as? Space between tables and TDs. And the space between each and every TD also can be called as cell spacing. What is it, everybody? Cell spacing. For example, if you write there cell spacing equal to 10, what would I get? Each and every TD will get 10 px gap. Okay. For example, I don't want anything. Then write here 0. What are you getting? 0. Now how it is coming? Horizontal and vertical lines. Now tell me what is the thickness of the border now? What is the thickness of the border now? 1 px or not? 2 px. Why? Previously table also has border, TD also has border. Previously there is a space between them. That's why you are able to see it clearly. But now each and every table and each and every TD is touching. So already table border is there. Now TD also border. So each and everything is touching. So 1 plus 1 how much? 2 px thickness this is. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Right. Now I'm assigning a task. Okay. Right. Try to do it everybody. See here. Right. Design like this. First TR 1 TD, 1 text R, RA, then after RAM, RAME, RAMES, RAMESH. Right, everybody? So try to design like this. If no anybody not bring their laptop, try to do in your notes. If any bring their laptop, try to do in your computer. Okay, everybody? But try to do this. Are you doing? Respond everybody, online people.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. See, please don't leave the session, everybody. Okay, right. Online people. So I will ask you at 11:25, 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will ask you. Okay, right. Purnima, are you doing?
Completed.
Oh, complete. Okay, okay, right. Can you send that code in the chat, Purnima, once?
Sent.
Send. Okay. Right. Okay, right. Good work, Purnima. Right. Others also they can send your code. Right. Time up. Respond everyone. Halfly we will complete or not. So look at the screen, everybody. So now I'm going to tell you. See here, 5432. But here, Purnima, you need to write here call span 6 also. Right, Purnima, because this first TD also need to apply the call span. Okay. Except this, everything is perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So now observe here, everybody. I'm telling another example. Look at the screen, everyone. Six underscore HTML underscore table underscore call span underscore example dot HTML. Now first, what is the thing I need to do here? Table. Look at the screen. Width equal to, say please. Offline people, look at the screen, everyone. Width equal to 100%. Border equal to 1. Cell spacing equal to 0. Why? To remove the space between them. And first of all, I need to write here what? TR. Again, I need to divide into TD. R. TD. Copy this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three, 4, 5, 6. What is slash TD? RA ME, sorry, MESH and above are up to here only. RAMES. MEE, RAME. RAM. Then after RA. Okay, everybody. First TR 1 TD. Second TR 2 TDs. Third TR 3 TDs. Fourth TR 3 TDs. Sorry, fourth TD 4 TDs. Fifth TR 5 TDs. Sixth TR 6 TDs. Okay, right. Execute in the browser. How it is coming? Like this. Okay, everybody, right. But if you observe here, this entire space is wasting. Look at the screen, everyone. Okay, this entire space is wasting. Then what is the rule in designing and construction? Occupy the space and leave it. So how to occupy? By making this first TD, okay, width as same as 6 TDs width. So whenever you are assigning here call span, you need to focus on two things. Highest columns in a row in the related to the table. Lowest columns in a row in related to that particular table. So how many highest columns we have? 6. How many lowest columns we have? 1. So you need to start from here. Call span equal to 6. Observe it. See it. This TD is becoming 6 TDs width. Then after this one, call span equal to how much? 5 only. Because already we had 2 TDs. Okay. Then after call span equal to 4. Call span equal to 3. Call span equal to 2. That's it. Refresh. Clear it, everybody? That's it. Very, very simple. So to make you to perfect with this call span, I have given this example because this call span is very, very important whenever you are working with table. Of course, nobody using tables nowadays, but in case any place if they use table, you should not confuse. Understand, everybody? That's why I have told this example. Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Leave it like this. Tomorrow, one more time, we'll discuss about table. Other examples also will be. Then after we'll discuss other topics also. Okay, everybody? Right. Okay, everyone? Right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we meet, we'll continue. So Monday to Friday only classes. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Okay. Right.